My name's Kenneth MacKenzie. I'm the piping instructor here at Colaisde at Gaelic, the Gaelic college, for online lessons. We broke the lessons up into 3 levels. The first level is made up of 10 lessons. It's geared more towards the raw beginner, just someone starting out. We start at the very basics. You learn the grassroots, the basics of the technique that's involved on the practice channel, and we finish up with your first tune at the end of the lessons. So that's what you can expect from the first level. In the second level of lessons, we expand your technique a bit. We work on slightly more complicated technique, and we also do a couple more tunes there, and a few different types of tunes. So a jig and a march and a slow air worked in. So in the third level, things are getting more complicated again, and we do a few more tunes, and we also get a little more detailed on the rhythmical and musical aspects, and trying to keep those types of tunes and styles delineated. And we end off the level with some bagpipe information and how to get you started, how to tune the bagpipe, look after the bagpipe, and to actually start playing them. So that's what you can expect.